Hey class, today just going to talk brief about the power of presentation. A lot of times people think that presentations have to be grandiose, they have to be earth shattering, they have to be wanting to save the world. But in this case, your presentation should simply focus on something that you can do within this semester. A lot of times we often want to try to save the world, in our presentations. But the best presentations are ones that are A, not too broad, B, can really hit home with a few good points in a short amount of time, C, be able to give that 30-second elevator speech on why this topic is important to you. So, as we wrap all of those things together and we talk about how to put these presentations together, that is the first step. So once we kind of acknowledge jointly what you want that topic or presentation to focus on, then it's your goal to make sure that it's not too broad. And you don't want to have a topic that you're going to have 50 different answers to. Find something where you can find a concrete gap or somewhere where there's a relevant problem where you can find real data to back up what you are hypothesizing. A lot of times we want to do research, but we research topics where there's not a lot of data. And that's okay, because sometimes, especially those working in, dissertation fields, we look for those gaps in research. However, on this level, we're really just wanting you to find a topic of interest. Do some research on this topic and then find a way to back it up through hard facts and data. Now, one thing that you don't want to do is go through your text and write out verbatim. You want to make sure that you don't have a question that has been asked, or you don't want to ask a question that, is once again too broad to where you can have a myriad number of solutions. So therefore, when we're focusing on these presentations, take a deep breath, look and see what's out there. We have so many different topics and headlines that we can choose from. Find something that will be of interest to you, that's something near and dear to your heart, and I guarantee you'll have a great time doing it. So as we begin to walk and work through these presentations based on the topic of your choice, just remember those three things that I mentioned earlier. One, find something that's not too broad. Two, find something that is of great interest to you. And three, something that in 30 seconds or less you can discuss in a passion point for why you chose it. Best of luck to you.